gone fishing. Let's get it. Alright, so let's sit down here so I can talk to you guys, get the light going. So in today's video, my brother Danny and I, we went out to do a 12-hour wading challenge. You guys don't know what that is? Wading is where you either put on some waders or you just go out and wade. Wading means basically walking in a river or a stream or creek, whatever you want to call it, as long as it's wadable, right? It's walkable. We basically went fishing, wading from sunrise to close to sundown. We didn't quite stay too long, but we did wait for 12 hours and it was exhausting. It was tiring, but it was totally worth it. You guys will see it in this video. I will only be putting like the fun and exciting part of the video. We call it ton of like little smallmouth bass, which I don't care for you guys to watch because they're not that like exciting anyways. I'm not saying they're not fun, but by not wasting your time, I'm not gonna put the little ones in there. I'm just gonna put the ones that I do believe deserve the highlight of the video, right? Went to the first 9 spot of like the stretch there, and it was like dead. We didn't catch any. I mean, we caught little ones. We even chased a frog down. You guys see in the video here. We even chased a frog by the dam. Other than that, we found a different spot. We committed to that spot, and you guys will see in the video that we had a great time catching some nice quality smallmouth bass, some explosive fishing in shallow water. So take along this journey, and I'll see you guys out in the water. Anyways, we're at spot number 10. Yeah, we suck. We didn't catch anything.
Yeah.
So let me try this spot out, see how it goes. We're a long way, so I'll give it a shot. So here's our situation. The first couple spots that we went to, there was a ton of dead crayfish. The 10th spot that we came to here, there's a lot of lively crayfish. You don't know. Let me give it a shot. Dude, Danny's on, Danny's on. I'll help you. That's a good one, dude.
Dude, let's go, guys.
Oh, dude, that's a big one. That's a big one. Yeah, yeah. Keep it on good. Oh, I didn't bring the net either. Keep it on good. Dude, that's a nice one, dude. Oh my gosh. It was like 3-pounder, dude. Short. Back hook. Dude, shoot. I got. Oh my gosh. It's like a 3-pounder, dude. Oh my gosh. You said it was small, dude. Hold this one. Oh, and it popped off. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. There we go. 3-pound exact.
Dang.
Lock. What'd I tell you?
Yep. Take a picture.
3-pound exact, dude. Shit.
I got a chicken.
That's a nice smallmouth. Look how big that thing is, dude.
This thing is massive.
Oh my gosh. Alright, catch and release. Good stuff, bro. It's been in the water for oh, geez, there he goes. It's gone.
There we go.
There's a lot of them. Yep, there's a lot of them. It's okay though. I want to drill them on this hook set right here. Oh, got him. There we go. That's what I want right there. Nice, dude.
Ooh, see that?
Yep. Look how chunky they are.
He's so aggressive.
Very aggressive. Look how fat they are too, bro. They're massive. Some healthy bass. This spot. This spot's good. Gonna switch. Oh, okay. Oh, got him. Did you see that?
Yeah.
As soon as it landed, bro.
I got on camera.
Oh, jeez.
Dude, that's a nice one.
Yeah, fat. It's okay. Just one hook. Dude, right in the eye, bro.
Ouch.
Look how chunky it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh, dude, he's bleeding. Oh, he's bleeding. I'm so sorry, dude.
Dude, I just had a wake.
Did you?
Yeah.
Plier. Dude, his eye is gone, bro. Hold on.
Oh, man.
I know. I'm so sorry, dude.
Oh, man.
I'm so sorry. Look how fat it is, though. Jeez.
Right? Yep.
Big one. Chill. Dude, you hit it so hard, dude. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, dude.
That's a good one, bro.
Whoa. You saw that? It's okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so chunky, bro. 2-pounder. Dude, the camera doesn't do any justice, man. These fish are like thick, dude.
Yep.
Look how thick it is, bro.
Those things are massive.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Dang, you want a picture?
No, it's okay. Oh, look at the tail. It's like a whale. Split.
Wow.
Alright, catch and release, guys.
Chilled him up.
Oh yeah, I love that feeling, dude. He ran out there, I was like,
Yeah. Dang, that was so cool.
I just wish it was floral though, man.
Huh?
I just wish it was floral.
Oh.
What? You go, fine.
You got it?
Yep, just gotta be very careful. I don't want to rip my thing again. This tree's still good, dude. Okay. Oh shit! Yep, almost fell. I wouldn't be so scared if I wasn't wearing waders.
Yeah, I know.
But because I'm wearing weight, nice one. Not that big, but still a good fish. Oh, it popped off. It's okay. It's okay. The drag was loose.
Really?
Yeah. Drag was super loose. You didn't hear it slipped. It gets fast. Right side. All yours right there. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's your section. There's a 2-pounder right here. Got him? Yup, big one, dude. Keep it up. That's a big one, dude. Yeah? No?
Yep.
Maybe? Maybe?
That's a good one.
Run him down, run down. Right side, right side. Whoa, dude, that's a nice one. Run it down, run down. It's a nice. Oh, they're chasing it. They're chasing it. You see that? Yep, keep him down, yo. Keep him down. Bro, I'm trying to catch mine right here, bro. Yeah, there you go. You're good. You're good. That's a nice one, dude. Oh my gosh, scared me. Ready? He's not done yet, dude.
He is not done.
Yes.
Nice.
That's a good fish, bro. And the back hook came off. Woo! My boys. Oh, bro. Hold it like that. Oh, it's top on it. Good fish, daddy. Good fish. Oh.
Do it again. Do it again.
Okay. Well, we gotta get the release. Release. All right, Danny. Good fish, bro.
Oh.
Catch and release. Okay, there you go. He paused for a little bit. I'm like, oh, he's dead, dude.
Oh man, I can't believe I got caught by this guy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh!
I saw that.
Broke me off.
That, dude. I saw that came out.
That was a
of nowhere.
big one, dude.
Yeah, I saw that, dude. Dude, dang.
Did you see that?
Yeah, dude.
Damn, that's a bass with sharp teeth, bro.
Yeah, dude. That's how I broke my rod.
What I was using was that fluke right here. You just tied it on. I skipped it under that tree, and that was a big, freaking at least 3.5 pounder. Just came out and grabbed it so fast, dude. Cut me off. So, take this fluke, go through the nose. Right there, I tie a snell knot so that way the plastic sits on there a little longer than average. There we go. Bury it just a little bit. That's the fluke right there. Nope, nothing. Yeah, oh yeah. I hooked them good, bro. Oh, you saw it? You saw it? It broke me off again. Oh no, no, it took the plastic. Took the plastic. I was gonna say, bro. Dude, shit, look at my hook. Look at my hook.
That thing is huge, bro.
What's going on? Bro, these hooks are garbage. These hooks are garbage, dude.
I'm not gonna even go over there.
Oh. Now you see what I mean? When you use braid with stuff like this? Yeah, it's not a good sign, dude. I didn't hook him. You saw that? Big one, dude. I didn't hook him. I didn't hook him. But like you said, they scared themselves. Got him. Did you see that? Oh my god. It's not that big, but holy sh. It's quite hard. Oh. Redemption. Whew. That's probably not the one that hit it.
No.
No, the other one's a lot bigger.
The other one's bigger, dude. You can see it.
Here we go. Let's try it. Here we go, Daddy. Here we go. I probably spooked though.
I don't know how to get out.
Got him. Jeez, I got him. I got him, dude. Oh my god, he's going under the tree.
You got him over. Dude.
He's not that big, but still, he's a runner.
No, that's a good one,
That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Bro, that was epic, bro. Yes, dude.
There you go. You actually got
I
him.
got the fish over the hump.
How'd you do that?
He's not that big, but
No, that's a good one.
still a good fish, man. We'll take it. Exciting as heck. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
I tell you, when you said it, you just got to bring him out and then fight him.
Oh.
Dude, that's a lot, dude. All right, let's eat. We start with the wings first.
It's hot, dude.
Ah!
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Whoa! That was a big bass! Did you see that?
Yeah.
That thing was huge! Got him! Oh, he broke me off! What?
Clean, bro.
How?
Clean.
What's wrong, dude? I was straight braid, bro!
Dude, how?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Ah!
Yep. Saw that.
Straight braid, it broke. The big one ran out of there when I went over there to get my lure.
Really?
Yep. Did you see that? How? How?
Bro, them bass got some sharp. I don't know what to tell you, bro.
I don't know. Got him. That's a nice one, dude. Ooh. Jeez. It's a decent bass. Come on, shake it off. Nope, I got him good. He's not coming off. That's a good fish. Finally, right? I didn't break off this time. The best on these bass are so meaty. And when they hook themselves, bro, it don't come off.
Yep. You got it?
Yep, got it. So now that we made it to the end, again, it was so much fun. Danny caught some nice ones. He caught two bass that were at 3 pounds and 3.3. Me, I couldn't get my life together. I kept breaking off. I kept losing fish. I don't know what it was. It was just wasn't my day, but I wanted to show you guys that I too struggle and I too make mistakes. And it was just a fun outing. Went out, dude, let's go have some fun. Wait for 12 hours. Let's see if we can do it. And so yeah, I'm glad you guys were able to take along this waiting session. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Leave comments down below. Hit the thumbs up. You know the drill. And I'll see you guys next time. I think we're doing this again. So stay tuned. Peace.